Hello, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to explore something important: why English is such a valuable skill in today's world. If you're learning English, you might sometimes wonder, why is this so hard? Is it really worth it? Today, we'll give you answers and maybe some motivation to keep going. Because learning English isn't just about passing a test. It's about opening doors, creating new opportunities, and feeling more connected to the world. Let's begin. English is the most widely spoken second language in the world. More than 1.5 billion people speak it, and most of them are not native speakers. That means you don't have to speak perfectly. You just have to speak clearly. Communication is the goal. If you speak English, you can connect with people from many different countries: Brazil, India, Germany, Egypt, Japan, and more. It doesn't matter where you're from. English is often the bridge that brings people together. You might meet a Spanish speaker and a Thai speaker, both using English to talk to each other. You can make friends online, join international communities, and explore cultures you never knew before, all through English. Even social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are filled with English content. When you understand it, you're part of a global conversation. English allows you to participate in international projects. Whether it's for work, school, or fun, you can contribute your voice and ideas to global discussions. Part 2: Education and Information. 7 minutes. A lot of the world's knowledge is shared in English. If you want to learn online, take courses, watch lectures, or read books, English gives you access to a huge amount of information. Websites like YouTube, Coursera, Khan Academy, and even Google itself, most of their content is in English. Even if you study science, business, medicine, or art, knowing English helps you stay updated with the latest ideas. More than 80% of academic papers are written in English. Most research is published in English first. So when you speak English, you don't just learn English. You learn about everything faster, deeper, and more directly. Let's say you're passionate about photography. The best tutorials? Often in English. Want to build a business? Many experts share their knowledge in English. The internet is a library, and English is the key to opening all the books. Today, many jobs require basic English, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. You may need it to write emails, attend meetings, or read instructions. If you work in tourism, technology, or international business, English is essential. Customer support centers, global companies, remote jobs, all require some level of English communication. Speaking English opens doors to better jobs and more money. It shows employers that you are ready to learn and connect with the world. It also gives you the chance to work abroad or with international teams. Even freelancers can find clients in other countries if they can write and speak in English. And in interviews, your English skills can give you the confidence to answer questions smoothly and show professionalism. Even gig workers, drivers, delivery people, cleaners benefit when they can communicate in English with tourists, expats, or app platforms. Have you ever dreamed of visiting another country? English can help you wherever you go. At the airport, in hotels, restaurants, museums, and shops, English is the most common second language around the world. Even in countries where English isn't official, it's often used to help travelers. Knowing English helps you feel more confident when you travel. You can ask for directions, read signs, talk to hotel staff, or make friends with fellow travelers. Also, most global movies, music, and TV shows are in English. Understanding them without subtitles is a great feeling, and it helps you enjoy different cultures even more. Whether you're watching Harry Potter or a Marvel movie, listening to Adele or Ed Sheeran, or playing a game online, English connects you to entertainment. You also discover humor, emotions, and ideas in their original form. It's not just about watching, it's about understanding the culture behind the content. Learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about confidence. It's about saying what you feel, asking for what you need, and expressing who you are. When you speak English, you can join conversations, make friends from different cultures, and feel more independent. It builds your self-esteem. Every sentence you learn is a step forward. Every time you speak, you grow stronger. And remember, every mistake is part of the process. Mistakes mean you're learning. Don't be afraid of them. Embrace them. English also helps you access content that motivates and inspires you. From motivational speeches to TED Talks, from podcasts to books, English gives you power to grow personally. It can even help your mental health. Expressing your thoughts, understanding others, and building relationships can give you emotional support and joy. Let's talk about real people. Anna from Brazil used English to get a job at a tech company. She wasn't perfect, but she was brave. Ravi from India started a YouTube channel in English. Now he teaches others and earns money doing what he loves. Fatima from Morocco met friends from 5 different countries in an online community, all because she could speak basic English. Carlos from Mexico studied English every day for 15 minutes. After 1 year, he could talk with clients from Canada and the US. Their stories are not unique. They are people like you, learning, growing, and creating new futures through English. So, why does English matter today? Because it connects us. It gives us tools to learn, work, travel, and grow. And most importantly, it brings people together. English is not just a language. It's a passport to a bigger world, a key to opportunities, a bridge to understanding. So keep learning, keep listening, keep speaking. Thanks for listening to English Listening Practice. Why English Matters Today. Don't forget to subscribe for more real English, spoken slowly and clearly.
See you next time.